Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Now here's a nice little project for you. Keep you busy. 71 Chevelle. No reason to buy one that runs and drives when you're going to build it to how you want. This one does have its original 307 in it. It is a manual car. So if you want to put a 4-speed or 5-speed in it, it'll work well for that. Got some really neat patina on it, as you can see. Fender's got a ding here, but not a lot of rust on it. Floors are going to need some work. It is a 3 on the tree, so you would have to get a different steering column. Like I said, that patina is kind of cool on it. It is a complete car. Like I said, the floors, the rear floor there, you'd have to do some pan work. Not a lot of pan work, but it does need some. Rears at the most. Interior is complete, but would need to be restored, which that's the easy part. A little bit of rust over this quarter and down on the bottom. Bumper's actually in pretty good shape. Trunk deck looks good. And a little rust on this quarter, so gonna need a little rust work, but not a total rust bucket, you know. Come out of western South Dakota. Looks like one time from the rear it was sold in Deadwood, South Dakota. So if you're looking for something to do, put a 502 in it, put whatever, fuel injected. You got a good solid car to start with. So 605-695-7391.